Welcome to our lesson on customizing your YouTube channel. In the previous lesson, we learned how to set up your channel. Now, it's time to make it look professional, unique, and welcoming to your viewers. First impressions matter, and the way your channel looks plays a major role in attracting subscribers and building trust. In this lesson, we will learn how to add channel art, choose the right profile picture, write a strong channel description, and set up important links for your audience. Let's begin. First step is adding channel art and profile picture. Your channel art and profile picture are the first things viewers see. Think of them as your digital identity. Let's talk about profile picture tips. Use a clear, high-quality image. If you are a personal creator, use your face. It builds connection. If it's a business or niche channel, use your logo. Keep the design simple and recognizable even at small sizes. Your profile picture size should ideally be 800 by 800 pixels. Let's discuss channel art tips. Channel art is the banner across the top of your channel. This should represent your content style, tone, and message. Include your channel name, a short tagline or content focus. For example, healthy cooking made easy. Consistent brand colors and fonts. Recommended size, 2560 by 1440 pixels. Make sure your key text stays in the safe area so it appears correctly on all devices. Well-designed visuals help viewers instantly understand what your channel is about and why they should stay. Let's talk about writing an effective channel description. Your channel description tells viewers what you do and why they should subscribe. It also helps YouTube understand your niche for better search results. Now let's talk about how to write a good channel description. Focus on 3 things. 1. What your channel is about. 2. Who it helps. 3. What viewers will gain. For example, welcome. On this channel, I share simple tech tutorials, editing tips, and YouTube growth strategies to help beginners create better videos and build their online presence. Subscribe to learn practical skills and grow your channel step by step. Add keywords naturally. This helps with search visibility. Avoid long paragraphs. Keep it clear, friendly, and direct. Now let's learn setting up links and contact information. Links make it easy for viewers to connect with you on other platforms. You can add website or blog, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, email or contact form, affiliate or business links. Most creators place 3-5 links maximum. Keep it clean and professional. Also, add a business email for collaborations and sponsorship opportunities. This makes your channel look serious and partner-ready. Before we wrap up, here's what you should complete. Upload a clean profile picture. Add professional, branded channel art. Write a clear and keyword-rich channel description. Add relevant social and contact links. These steps turn your channel from basic to brand-ready. Your channel now has a professional identity and a strong first impression. By customizing your visuals, writing a clear channel description, and adding important links, you've taken an important step in building trust with your audience. In short, a customized channel instantly looks more professional and appealing. Viewers can tell you take your content seriously, which encourages them to subscribe. In the next lesson, we'll start planning your content, choosing your niche, and preparing video ideas so you can post with confidence and direction. Your YouTube journey is shaping up beautifully. Let's keep going. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.